Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm very excited to shoot this video because it's about my favorite thing, as you all can see, perfumes. Yes, they are my eternal love. I have a thing for perfume. I just love them. A good fragrance is really important to make your impression good and lasting. So without any wasting any time, let's just start it. And I have a collection of perfumes. Today I'm going to review about these luxury fragrances. Let's just start from the number one fragrance. I have kept DKNY on number one. DKNY Be Delicious fragrance, as you can see, is the main ingredient is green apple. Guys, I just love this fragrance. It's over, but I always leave a little perfume in all my bottles just to smell them. I know it's little odd, but I always, keep it because I just love this fragrance. And it's a party wear perfume. You can use it for a party, and it's a bit on stronger side. And its cost is around for 3500 for 50 ml. Okay, so not that expensive, not that less expensive. I mean, it's somewhere in between. And DKNY Be Delicious, it's really it has really good lasting power. Like, even if you wash your clothes, the smell stays on them for some time, because they are the fragrance power is really really lasting, good lasting power. So you can go for it. Just close your eyes and go for it. The second fragrance is of Signorina, from the house of Salvatore Ferragamo, and it's in Signorina in Fiore. It's a beautiful fragrance made in Italy, and it's such a cute bottle, as you can see. And the main ingredients are Nashi Peasobe, pomegranate, and a hint of musk. It lasts quite good, and it's 3400 for 30 ml. Cost 3400 for 30 ml. The family is floral, you can say. Yeah, fresh floral fragrance. I think you guys will love it too. That's why I keep it on number two. Yeah, it's a nice fragrance too. Okay, the third one I have kept, it's bit expensive. It's from the house of Chloe, famous brand. The perfume is Love Story by Chloe. As you can see, a beautiful bottle. It's not overpowering. It's a nice, fresh floral fragrance rather than fruity. And I must say the lasting power is really good. And if you don't like the strong perfumes, you can just close your eyes and go for this one, because it's a nice, subtle fragrance, right? And it's really good. Made in France, and the cost is 5800 for 50 ml, and a really nice perfume. So coming to our fourth perfume that I have kept from the house of Burberry, and the perfume is Weekend. It's just my go-to perfume. I just love this fragrance. It's my absolute favorite and my go-to perfume, because when I don't I'm not in a mood of like what to put, I just pick this up and put it on. I really like this perfume. As the name suggests, Weekend, like it could be your go-to perfume also. The fragrance is not really loud, not too light. You can wear it in office, party, shopping, and it's just do it work. And it's made in London. It costs for around 3500 for 30 ml, and it lasts really good. You can go for it for sure. And coming to the fifth one, it's of Hugo Boss, from the house of Hugo Boss. The perfume is Femme. Perfume is Femme, and the bottle, as you can say, it's really heavy, and the glass is really heavy, quite heavy. So I won't suggest it's travel friendly. But if we talk about the fragrance is quite good. Lasting power is also good. And if the cost is 5800 for 5800 for 50 ml. Yeah. So it has the ingredient of Turkish rose, vanilla, and with a hint of musk and spices. And it's kind of a floral and woody fragrance. If you like woody fragrances, then you can go for it. And it is special. It's an old bottle of mine because it was gifted by my love of life, so I've just kept it like this. A bit of perfume is there. So as you know, I like to keep my bottles of perfumes. So coming to the last one is from the Bulgari. Yeah, the House of Bulgari in the what is the name of this fragrance? Yeah, the coral one. Yeah, Bulgari Omnia Coral. It comes in this unusual, beautiful bottle. You will not get to know from where to spray, but this is the thing. This is the nozzle where you will spray, and the notes are of bergamot, water lily, and a hint of musk. Staying power is good. The family is floral and a little bit of fruity, but not that much. It's a nice fragrance, and it's made in US. The cost is 36.50 for 30 ml. So this is the end. So these are the collection of my perfumes. I hope you guys like it, and please show me your love by commenting in on my channel, and tell me what all would you like to see in the upcoming videos. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And this is with the very much love that I made the videos. Please tell me in the comment box how do you like them, and like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.